Oh, hey, it's your pal, Seth from Golfdom Magazine, here to tell you that the October issue of Golfdom is now available. I invite you to check it out. In this month's cover story, Associate Editor Brian Love spoke with superintendents at nine-hole golf courses about the demands for a fast round of golf and what it's like to have a larger volume trying to whip through the course real quick. Check out that story. Also in the new issue, I did a Q&A with Joe Trauger. He is the CEO of the National Club Association. We talk about what his expectations are for that association and what his expectations are for private club business and for golf moving forward. Also, Alan Fitzgerald wrote in this issue about the difficult decision he made about changing golf courses. And I don't want to forget to mention that we have an article on late fall waiting agent applications and ultra dwarf Bermuda grass survival. I want to get back to it, keeping it short this week, guys, because I got to tell you, I'm not at home. I'm actually in Tuscany, Italy. It's pretty awesome. So I want to get back to it. Check out this view. This is not a bad spot to be. So go get me a glass of wine. It's good seeing you guys. I'll talk to you later.